Today we're going to learn how to find half of 3/8 of an inch on a ruler. This is a common task in woodworking and construction. Before we look at the ruler, let's understand this mathematically. We want to find 1/2 of 3/8. In fraction form, that's 1/2 times 3/8. To multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and denominators together. 1 times 3 equals 3 for our numerator. 2 times 8 equals 16 for our denominator. So 1/2 of 3/8 equals 3/16. Now, let's look at this on a ruler. Here's a section of a ruler showing 0 to 1 inch. The ruler is divided into eighths of an inch, shown by these marks. Let's find 3/8 on the ruler. Here it is 3/8 of an inch from 0. Now, we found that half of 3/8 is 3/16. 3/16 falls exactly halfway between 0 and 3/8. You can verify this by counting the marks. There are 3 smaller marks between 0 and 3/8, and 3/16 is the middle mark. So remember to find half of 3/8. First, multiply 1/2 times 3/8 to get 3/16. Then, on the ruler, 3/16 will be exactly halfway between 0 and